Hello friends, we are back with another lecture. Today we will be discussing about the concept of productivity या उत्पादकता जिसको आप बोलते हैं, right? And in that we will talk about primary production or primary productivity first, followed by secondary productivity. Primary production means प्राथमिक उत्पादकता, right? So primary productivity of an ecosystem, किसी भी पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र की जो आप बात करेंगे, is defined as the rate at which the radiant energy is converted into organic substance by photosynthesis or chemosynthesis by the primary producers. So primary productivity में क्या होता है? Let us suppose जो radiations from the suns are coming, which is used by plant by the process of photosynthesis, right? In the presence of CO2 and water. So so this is basically how much amount of light being fixed by the plant as a primary producer, right? So that is called as primary productivity. Then when this organic matter is produced by the primary producers, mainly green plant होंगे, उसमें हरे पौधे होंगे आपके, some of the microorganism कुछ सूक्ष्मजीव होंगे, right? And some of the oxidized or burnt inside their body and converted into carbon dioxide, which is released during respiration, and it is accompanied by the loss of energy. So primary productivity जब fix आपकी हो गई है, उसके बाद the energy will be utilized और respiration होगा organism में. Respiratory loss of energy is must because it is required for the maintenance of the organisms. Now the procedure are left. Now the producers are left with little less organic matter. What was actually produced by them, and this is known as net primary productivity. तो इस primary में भी एक net primary productivity term आती है, right? ठीक है, तो net primary productivity यहाँ पे हो जाएगा, and the respiratory loss which is R denoted by R added to this give gross primary productivity. यहाँ ये आपका फार्मूला एक बन जाएगा कि जो NPP है, net primary productivity है, that is GPP minus respiration, and this is the respiration by that organism, right? So respiration is there and some of the energy is lost in respiration, right? So ये आपका एक फार्मूला हो गया जिससे हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं कि नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी इज इक्वल टू ग्रॉस प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी माइनस रेस्पिरेशन. तो जो पहले टर्म आई थी मेरी, which was gross primary productivity. Gross primary productivity में we will talk about the sunlight which is being fixed by the process of photosynthesis by producers. But after that, once this respiratory loss is subtracted from that, we will get NPP. So ये term यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है आपका net primary productivity, and this equation is well a relationship between GPP and NPP, which is very important. That NPP net primary productivity is GPP minus respiration. So this is an important formula with respect to gross and net primary productivity. Now we will move ahead. So now let's talk more about these terms. So the primary production of an ecosystem depends upon the solar radiation. So the factors on which the primary productivity depends, या प्राथमिक उत्पादकता किस पे निर्भर करती है? सबसे पहले तो सनलाइट जो है आपकी सोलर रेडिएशन जितना है, then availability of water and then nutrients, right? So these are the factors on which the primary productivity depend, and then upon the type of plants, किस तरह के plants है उस ecosystem में, their chlorophyll content ये depend करेगा. So here we have taken some of the primary productivity of some of the major ecosystems. So in this table we are summarizing that what is the gross primary productivity. Net नहीं है, gross primary productivity है. So it is annual average gross production of some of the major ecosystems. So here left we have a column in which we have the major ecosystem, and on right we have the gross primary productivity in kilocalorie per meter square per year. So a unit है इसकी kilocal per meter square per year. So when you talk about desert and tundra type of ecosystem, so the gross primary productivity is around 200 kilocalorie meter per square per year. Then if you talk about open ocean, it is 1000 kilocalorie per meter square per year. Grasslands ka almost 2500 kilocalorie per meter square per year. Then moist temperate forest 8000 kilocalorie, right, per meter square per year. Then agro ecosystem जितने भी हैं 12000 kilocalorie per meter square per year. Then wet tropical forest is around 20000 kilocalorie per meter square per year. And estuaries की बात करें, which is a sort of land which is quite productive, right? So it is a transition zone, and it is around 20,000 kilocalorie per meter square. Different books have written this productivity table, so we can consult other literature also. Then let's talk about secondary productivity. Now we will see secondary productivity kya hota hai, because these two type of productivity are important in understanding the ecosystem. So secondary productivity or secondary production जब आप बात करेंगे, so the food synthesized by the green plant, अब producers ने तो photosynthesis की help से energy fix कर ली, sunlight fix कर ली, और NPP आपका आ गया GPP minus respiration जो gross primary productivity थी. So the food synthesized by green plant through photosynthesis is a primary production जो हमने बात करी है, जो gross primary productivity we were talking about, which is eaten by herbivore. उसको herbivore खा सकते थे आपके, ठीक है, शाकाहारी जिसकी आप बात करते हैं, तो herbivore तो उसको ले सकते हैं, right? And the plant energy is used up for producing organic matter of the herbivore, which is in turn is used up by the carnivore. अब herbivore को जो है carnivore will eat, उसको मांसाहारी organism खाएगा आपका, right? So the amount of organic matter stored by the herbivore or carnivore is excess of respiratory losses. तो जो भी respiratory losses को हटा के whatever amount of organic matter will be stored by the body of herbivore or carnivore, that is called as secondary production. कहने का मतलब ये है अगर herbivore है तो वो green plants को eat करेगा, carnivore है तो वो किसी herbivore को eat करेगा. So the energy stored at consumer level for the use by the next trophic level is thus defined as secondary production. और इसमें भी respiratory losses हम subtract कर देते हैं. So basically it is the energy stored at consumer level for the use by the next trophic level, that is called as secondary productivity. इसको आप देख सकते हैं. So the energy stored at consumer level, चाहे तो वो आपका herbivore हो consumer, चाहे carnivore हो, right, for the use of the next trophic level is thus defined as secondary production. So this is the definition of secondary production. So this we will stop here for today's lecture, and in the next time we will bring the next part of the unit. Hope you enjoy the lecture. Keep working hard for your subject. Your exams will be happening soon. Hope you are enjoying this lecture. Thank you.